In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT as your personal financial planning assistant to reach your money goals. I start by defining the AI's role, asking it to provide clear, simple, and actionable financial advice. ChatGPT responds with a solid framework that covers everything from budgeting and debt management to long-term savings goals, giving us a clear roadmap for how we'll work together. Next, I provide a specific scenario for a 28-year-old earning $5,000 a month who wants to pay off $8,000 in debt and buy a house in 5 years. The AI generates a detailed monthly breakdown, suggesting a strong focus on debt repayment using the avalanche method to save on interest. It provides a clear 5-year roadmap that transitions from clearing debt to building a down payment, making a large goal feel much more achievable through structured steps. Finally, I ask for a specific step-by-step plan to build a 6-month emergency fund based on that $5,000 monthly income. ChatGPT calculates a target of $18,000 and outlines a timeline of 18 months if I set aside $1,000 each month. The plan includes practical advice on automating deposits into a high-yield savings account and hitting smaller milestones to stay motivated. Using these prompts makes it easy to visualize your financial future and take the first step toward long-term security. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.